Good morning, dear student. This is next one video for class 7th student. Malicious software. I already told you. Malicious software means different type of software which damage our computer by different way. We have just discussed in the previous time how virus attack in our computer. How will you recognize our computer that virus is working or antivirus is working? Full form of virus, vital information issued under siege. Now we will discuss other type of malware. Okay, student. So apart from virus, there are many other malware. Okay, like Trojan horse. A Trojan horse is a program that appears to be safe but damage the computer once it runs. It is innocent, but it damages our computer files. Okay, a Trojan don't reproduce, it don't replicate itself by infecting other files like virus, nor do the replicate. Okay, so Trojan don't replicate itself. A Trojan can spread only when it is copied to another system. Next one, worm. What is the worm? Worm. So a worm is a program that copies itself. It means to say it replicates itself. A worm is a program that copies itself when from one computer to another or over a network. Okay, a worm is capable of running itself and does not need a host program. A worm is designed only to spread from one system to another. Next one is spyware. As the name suggests, spyware देखना करना. It means to say whenever you lose your security, it will spy and steal your data. So spyware is a type of malware designed to collect information about the internet surfing habits and frequently visit website by the user. On the basis of website visited by the user, advertisement start appearing on the screen of the computer system in the form of banners and pop-up. Whenever you will click on the advertisement, it will get your information and steal your data. Okay, student. Next one, sweeper. This one, sweeper virus is a type of spyware that is difficult to detect and remove. Okay, it reinstalls itself even after it is removed from a computer. Okay, it reinstall and again reinstall multiple times. So it is very difficult virus. Adware is a virus that shows the pop-up menu on the screen again and again, that shows the advertisement on your screen again and again. So the word adware has been formed from the word advertising supported software. Adware is used to display advertisement in the form of banners, pop-ups and unclosable windows. Okay, student. Now, antivirus software which spy our computer, which save our computer from the viruses. So antivirus software is a set of programs that are used to detect and remove viruses and other malware from a computer. Antivirus software searches for virus in all files and folders of the computer and remove them. Some antivirus software are like Quick Heal, like Avast, like Norton, like Avira, etc. So how an antivirus works? Okay, student. Whenever you get the CD of the antivirus software, first of all you will install that antivirus software in your computer. Okay, student. Now update this antivirus with the help of the internet. Each and every day new viruses are generating, so it will update its definition according to the virus generation. Okay. So now it do the quarantining. Okay, now you are just listening about the coronavirus. We have to quarantine ourselves. It means to say it quarantine the viruses in a particular folder or the drive. To quarantine means to place an infected this thing in a place of isolation, which is where it cannot harm others. जिससे कि दूसरी चीजों को नुकसान न पहुंचे. Repairing. Okay, the antivirus removes the virus code and restores the file to its original form. Deleting. If a virus is detecting and it is not repairable, so it will be deleted. Okay, so this is the way which virus or antivirus do. Using antivirus software, how will we use? Click on the start menu, click on the all program and click on your antivirus software like Quick Heal, like 360 security, like Avira, and scan on your computer. Second way, double click on the antivirus software. Okay, student. The window is divided into two panes, left and right. The left pane shows the option related to the computer. Okay, so this is the way. Once the scanning is completed, click on the finish. So this will be quarantine your system. So this is the way by which we can remove virus from our computer with the help of antivirus. It is nothing but a set of programs which generated with the help of virus coding. To update the BIOS is very important because new types of BIOS software are creating nowadays. So according to the BIOS software, antivirus program should be updated. Okay, it quarantine the infected file. Quarantine means to save our defected file in a particular folder so that they cannot harm the other. Repairing, if a file is a effective file is repairable, so we can put in repair folder. If or archive, or if it is not repairable, so we will delete. Okay students, this is whole the chapter about the computer manager software. Thank you and have a nice day.